And y'all, well, that's it. Excuse me, I had to wash my face. I had sheetrock dust everywhere, and I had no makeup on. But the sanding is done. Now the cleaning up starts, and we get to paint. I'm so excited we get to paint. So I know that sanding and mudding, all that's boring. It's boring me. I've never done it before. It's boring. It's kind of, I know, I put it on mud. I put mud on thick. At first, my first 2 coats, I was like putting it on heavy. And I think my last coat, I kind of got the hang of it by then. And then by then, it was like too late. And I done had too much mud on it. So there was a lot of sanding, which I probably shouldn't have had to do that much sanding. But it's not perfect. And I know there's going to be some spots. Because we're putting a dark paint on the walls, and you'll probably be able to see everything. But got the majority of everything. Everything, for the first time, I hope it's good. We'll really know when paint goes on. But I'm excited to get the paint, get the furniture, get the decorate. It's getting closer. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Y'all don't kill me, but I started putting up trim and caulking before I realized I didn't have the video and a little bit of the paint going around before I realized I didn't even push the video. So I have trimmed and caulked. Let's see. I have put the trim back up, added some trim, caulked everything, and I started going around the edges. But then I stopped and I realized I hadn't even videoed. I thought I'd pushed it, but I literally caulked these little white lines. I caulked literally everything. But now we're gonna paint. I'm so excited. So y'all missed the boring part anyway. So painting might be boring too, cause y'all, I'm not rich. I don't have no money like that. Those. I don't have any paint sprayers. So we're gonna have to, I'm rolling it. So yeah, it might get a little tedious and boring. I wish I had a paint sprayer. It would make it go a lot faster, that's for sure. But we're at the painting stage, and that's all I asked for. Woo-woo! So let's finish going around the edges. So I just have to, won't take me so, or I bang, bang, bang on the side. So right now I'm just going around the edges and getting them, but I'm excited about painting. So paint the ceiling, and then we'll be painting some of the walls. Yeah, it's almost there. It's almost there. So let's get started. We are painting around the edges. I don't know how long any coats is going to take, but I'm excited. That means it's just one step closer to being done. You know, after we get the walls, we'll clean up the floors, because I have made a mess. I've made a mess. So we're going to get them painted. It might take a couple of coats, hopefully 2, because it's a dark paint. We'll just have to see. We'll have to see. Lighting's not good, so I have to catch a different kind of lights to see. But I'm excited because the closer we are, we can get the bed in here, we can decorate. I'm excited. So let's get this painting going. We're going to start always over here because it's where my window is. I can see. I know, y'all, I have to work around this because I can't put it anywhere else. But it's okay. It's okay. Got another gallon of paint, another little paint brush because I got to go around some edges that the roller can't hit. And I forgot, I got to paint the white wall. I forgot, I have to get some white paint for that. When I got home today, I was like, I still got to paint the white wall. But I had to get, when I paint this dark wall, we'll get my son-in-law to help me move the couple pieces of sheetrock here. It's going to go in my living room. It's going to go on a little half wall we're going to make. But so I can get to this white wall, but that won't take long. That won't take but a minute. But, yeah, but that's all we got to do. So we're gonna get on today, get this dark paint done. Starting back over here in my little window corner. I don't know, for some reason I always start over here. I need my paint. think that's it. I think that's it for today. For this week. Next week, we're going to have all this moved, and we're going to be painting that white wall. And I'm going to go ahead and order a bed and everything so we can start putting it together in here. I've already got ceiling fans, covers, all that ordered. I just ain't got the furniture yet. So, but that's what we're going to do. Woo, I look rough today, but working hard and it's hot. But real life, this is real life. Yeah, what y'all think? Y'all think? Y'all think? You see it? You like it? It's dark, isn't it? But with that wall, it's gonna look so bright. I'm excited. Put his bed there. We'll have end tables. We'll have his name across on the back of lights. We'll have little lights that go around. Like I said, I'm excited. His TV is going to go on this wall. It'll go on this wall. It's a big TV. They'll have a dresser that goes in this wall. I'm so excited. And I know y'all say, oh, yeah, I can see daylight to that door right there. Where is it? Right there. I've got some this stuff I'm going to spray around some spots. I haven't forgotten that. I just ain't done it yet. And they've jacklegged that door when they put it in. But it's okay. It's alright. But, yeah, I'm excited. So I'll see y'all next week. We'll do that wall. Y'all have a blessed week. Know we love you. Take care. Bye.